glide above a coastline shaped by time, where towering cliffs rise proudly from the sea, their rugged edges glowing softly under the sunlight. Below, the boats move gently across the waters, tiny silhouettes against the vast blue, creating ripples that shimmer like silver lines. As the camera soars higher, the contrast becomes breathtaking, majestic cliffs standing tall and still, while the ocean beneath flows in calm, steady motion. The boats drift peacefully along the shoreline, exploring hidden coves, quiet bays, and the dramatic shadow of the cliffs. Every moment reveals a new angle, layers of rock carved by centuries, waves brushing the base of the cliffs, and sunlight dancing across the open sea. In this serene aerial view, feel the harmony between nature's power and the gentle journey of the boats. This is the beauty of the coastal cliffs, bold, peaceful, and endlessly captivating.